There are three main fuel types you can choose from: electric, gas, or dual fuel. Electric cookers use metal heating elements in the oven and are either on the stovetop or housed under a ceramic glass surface. They plug in so they're easy to install to a 240-volt outlet. Gas cookers use an open flame that keeps the temperature even. You'll need a dedicated gas line installed in your kitchen if there isn't one already. Dual fuel models use a gas hob and an electric oven. The gas hob heats up quickly and gives you precise temperature control, and electric ovens maintain an even temperature, making them ideal for baking. You will need a gas line and a 240-volt outlet to install a dual fuel cooker. Gas cookers are usually cheaper to run. Electric models cook more evenly because the temperature can't fluctuate as much. Dual fuel gives you the speed and control of a gas hob with the benefits of even cooking in the oven cavities.